Welcome to the World Uncovered. Today, we are diving into some of the strangest and most unusual laws from around the world. From banning chewing gum in Singapore to regulating waistlines in Japan, these bizarre rules will leave you amazed and intrigued. Join us as we explore the top 10 countries with laws you won't believe exist. Let's get started. 1. Milan, Italy. Smiling in public. In Milan, there's a municipal regulation that requires citizens to smile in public places. This law does not apply during funerals or when visiting hospitals. The law was originally introduced in the 19th century to improve public morale and create a more positive environment. It's now more of a quirky tradition rather than strictly enforced. 2. Singapore, chewing gum ban. Singapore banned the import and sale of chewing gum in 1992. The ban was implemented to maintain public cleanliness and order. Gum litter was causing significant issues, such as clogging up the subway doors. Therapeutic dental gum is allowed but requires a prescription. Offenders can face fines up to $100,000 or imprisonment for serious violations. 3. Scotland, anti-money destruction laws. It is illegal to intentionally destroy or deface banknotes in Scotland. The law protects the integrity of the currency. Defacing notes is considered disrespectful and could disrupt financial transactions. Violators can face legal consequences, including fines and possible imprisonment. 4. Monaco, no gambling for citizens. Monaco, known for its luxurious casinos, prohibits its citizens from gambling in these establishments. The law aims to prevent gambling addiction and protect the financial well-being of its citizens. The state, however, benefits from tourist gambling revenue. Tourists are welcome to gamble in the famous Monte Carlo Casino and other establishments. 5. Oshawa, Canada, tree climbing prohibition. Climbing trees is prohibited in Oshawa, Ontario. This law likely aims to prevent accidents and injuries, particularly among children. It may also protect trees from damage. Those caught climbing trees can face fines or warnings from local authorities. 6. Venice, Italy, no pigeon feeding. Feeding pigeons in Venice is illegal. Pigeon droppings were causing significant damage to Venice historic buildings and monuments. The law helps preserve the city's architectural heritage. Violators can face fines of up to €500. 7. Abu Dhabi, mandatory car wash. Car owners in Abu Dhabi must wash their vehicles regularly. The desert climate and frequent sandstorms mean cars get dirty quickly. Cleanliness is considered important for both aesthetic and health reasons. Dirty cars can lead to fines, and repeated offences may result in more severe penalties. 8. Thailand, respecting currency. It is illegal to step on Thai baht. The Thai baht features an image of the king, who is highly revered. Stepping on the currency is seen as a sign of disrespect to the monarchy. Offenders can face fines and imprisonment, as disrespecting the monarchy is a serious offense. 9. Japan, waistline measurements. Japan has a national health campaign that measures the waistlines of citizens aged 40 to 74. This is part of the Metabo law, introduced in 2008 to combat rising obesity rates. Companies and local governments conduct annual checkups to encourage a healthy lifestyle. Those exceeding the waistline limits, 33.5 inches for men and 35.4 inches for women, receive dietary guidance. Companies may face fines if they do not meet health targets. 10. Saudi Arabia, Valentine's Day ban. Public displays of affection and selling red roses on 14th February are prohibited. The ban aligns with the country's conservative cultural and religious norms, which do not support the celebration of Valentine's Day. Violators can face fines, imprisonment, or both. The religious police, or Mutaween, enforce this regulation strictly around Valentine's Day. And there you have it, folks. These were just a few of the strangest laws still in effect around the world in 2024. It's fascinating to see how different cultures and histories shape such unique regulations. Which law did you find the most surprising? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content from around the globe.